When it comes to creating amazing 3D models or 3D environments in Blender, there are a few Blender add-ons in Blender Market that can help you get the job done faster and better, and take your projects to the next level. Cablerator is a powerful and versatile Blender add-on designed to help users create and edit hanging cables quickly and easily. With Cablerator, users can click on geometry to create cables, draw cables on planes in geometry, create hanging cables between objects, and much more. Cablerator also provides tools for creating massive numbers of cables between selected faces, simulating cables with Blender physics, creating insulation between cables and objects, and creating rope-like structures between cables and objects. In addition to creating cables with ease, Cablerator provides a wide range of editing tools. Users can quickly edit the width of multiple cables, assign a profile to each cable, and add or remove hooks to cable points. Additionally, users can add geometry to segments and endpoints for cables, split cables with multi-curve profiles to separate them, and create cables based on meshes. Cablerator is an invaluable tool for any Blender user who needs to create or edit hanging cables. With its powerful and intuitive tools, users can quickly and easily create and modify cables of any shape and complexity.